Today, I'm going to show you how to edit and manage forms in HubSpot. Forms allow you to collect information from visitors, generate leads, and connect submissions directly to your HubSpot CRM. Start from your HubSpot dashboard. In the main navigation, click Marketing, then select Forms. This opens your Forms dashboard where you can view, edit, or create forms. To edit an existing form, click Edit after hovering over the name of the form. This opens the form editor. From here, you can add new fields by selecting them from the left panel and dragging them into your form. You can also click on any existing field to edit its label, make it required, or update the help text. This allows you to control what information visitors need to provide. Next, click the Settings tab in the left panel. This is where you can configure what happens after someone submits the form. You can display a thank you message, redirect users to another page, or trigger follow-up actions. Click the Automation tab to set up notifications or workflows. For example, you can send an email notification to your team when a form is submitted. Once your changes are complete, click Update in the top right corner to save the form. To use the form on a page, open your HubSpot page editor and add or select a form module. Choose your form from the drop-down list, then preview and publish the page. And that's it. You now know how to edit and manage forms in HubSpot.
Need more help? New Target's tailor-made support plans have you covered. Learn more at newtarget.com.